Fish roll is one of the most underrated snacks when it comes to official usages and other. Maybe it's either because of a poor or wrongly given recipe or the manner in which it was prepared. What if I show you my all-time yearning and addictive fish roll recipes that captivated the interest of my corporate customers? I tell you, you can't help it but to love it. Hello, it's Chinedo Vincent from southwestfoodblog.com, and we teach you how to make pastries, snacks, and lunch packs. Subscribe for more valuable food contents ahead. We begin the cooking process. And ginger. Please, at this point, feel free to exploit any in order to enable the fish to cook for up to 60%. Once the fish is 60% cooked, detach from the heat source and allow to cool for a while. Please don't forget to save the sauce for later use. In another pot, introduce some oil and allow temperature to rise up to a smoking point. Now fry the onion for a while until it becomes translucent. Introduce your diced red Scotch bonnet pepper. Add your fish stock for more taste. And in case you don't have a stock, it's okay, just continue with the process. Fry until all the water from the stock is completely evaporated, leaving behind the oil and other solid content. Only at this point you can now introduce your scraped carrots. Now, if you've not seasoned your fish, it is at this point you can now start adding your seasoning. But since we have seasoned our fish, there will be no need. But you can just simply taste and adjust any seasoning that is lagging behind. As for mine, everything is just in order. So I will bring down from the heat source and allow to cool. Now over here is my fish. I will debone them completely. Once deboned completely, mashed and mixed with your vegetable sauce fish with them roll, which is fish roll. Please roll it out, my dear. Repeat the process with the rest of the dough and begin to fry in a hot on the crust and yet undone on the inside. Once you're done, your roll is ready. Yes, you can see how it is in size courtesy of our baking powder, but please make sure you don't use more than recommended quantity of baking powder, otherwise your fish roll will soak. And secondly, I love fish roll with baking powder origin instead of yeast. This tasted so nice and great. I want to use this medium to say a very big thank you to you all my subscribers, and thank you also for all the lovely comments I've been receiving. You people have been telling me how my video has been helping you. This is what really keeps me going. Please keep up the comments, and if you have questions or anything you don't understand, don't hesitate to ask me. I will be there to reach you out. And if you've neither liked nor subscribed to this channel, please do so. Thank you and see you in the next one.